أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد أخذنا آل فرعون بالسنين ونقص من الثمرات لعلهم يذكرون. And we subjugated the people of Pharaoh with trials of years of drought and shortage of yields. So perhaps they would reflect and reconsider their response to the divine message. فَإِذَا جَاءَتْهُمُ الْحَسَنَةُ قَالُوا لَنَا هَٰذِهِ وَإِن تُصِبْهُمْ سَيِّئَةٌ يَطَّيَّرُوا بِمُوسَىٰ وَمَن مَّعَهُ ألا إنما طائرهم عند الله ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون. When benefits came their way, they said, "This is our win." And when affliction befell them, they ascribed it to the bad omen of Moses and those who followed him. But the real issue was, in fact, with Allah, and most of them did not know that. وقالوا مهما تعتنا به من آية لتسحرنا بها فما نحن لك بمؤمنين. Then they said, "No matter what miracle you bring in to bewitch us, we will never believe in you." فأرسلنا عليهم الطوفان والجراد والقمل والضفادع والدم آيات مفصلات فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما مجرمين. We then sent against them the flood, the locusts, the vermin, the frogs, and the blood, a succession of clear signs, but they were people of extreme arrogance and true criminal nature. ولما وقع عليهم الرجز قالوا يا موسى ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك لئن كشفت عنا الرجز لنؤمنن لك ولنرسلن معك بني إسرائيل. Once they realized the magnitude of the calamity that befell them, they said, "O Moses, pray to your Lord for our sake by virtue of what he commissioned you with. If you can abort the chastisement we are suffering, we will then believe you, and let the children of Israel go with you." فلما كشفنا عنهم الرجز إلى أجل هم بالغوه إذا هم ينكثون. But when we remove the chastisement away from them for a term they cannot avoid, they reneged on their promise. فانتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم في اليم بأنهم كذبوا بآياتنا وكانوا عنها غافلين. We then carried out the punishment against them and drowned them in the tides of the deep waters. That is because they accused our revelations of being lies, and they were heedless of them. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.